Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Today we're going to look at two condominiums here in Avida. Now, this is the original Avida two towers. This pool is between the two towers, so I'm walking out of Tower 1, that's Tower 2. Very, very nice pool area here. And in IT Park in Cebu City. And you are pretty much surrounded by IT Park, which is a city within a city. You've got a mall, just a block. What I think it's a block. All those tents down there, uh, cubicles. That is Sugbo Mercado, and I think they're open. Just dozens and dozens of food stalls. I think they're open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Open up about 5 p.m. I think until midnight or a little bit later, something like that. And the first one bedroom here, 36 square meters, close to 400 square feet. By the way, I'm starting a here in another day or two. I will have memberships set up on my channel for a number of reasons. To take a deeper dive, I've already got one real estate video up where I've taken a deeper dive into the Philippine real estate, and I will be doing additional videos. So I will put a video up just about that topic here in the next day or two as well. But microwave oven, nicely laid out. And Terrence, the fellow who showed me these right before somebody moved in, and I think he's got 16 units that he manages. And some are short term, some are long term, some are flexible, negotiable, I think. So I'm not going to give any prices out because I know it will depend upon your length of stay and which unit you would be interested in any given day. Uh, this unit, in fact, both of these two units that I'm going to show you, the people had just moved out, so he's just kind of cleaning up. The other one we're going to look at, the cleaning crew was in, and the floor was even a little bit wet from cleaning up the floor. We waited just a little bit for that to finish drying. Globe at Home is one of your options for internet. Um, there are a number of options for internet here. I'm sure they have fiber optic in here. If you're so inclined in a long-term rental to want to hook something like that up, but don't quote me on it. Anyway, comfortable, very nice sized television there, and couch, one bedroom. And you'll find that a lot of these places have mirrors, lots of mirrors, makes it look bigger as well. And there I am. I try not to be in my own videos. I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna many years ago I showed my face in a few videos, and I think I'm probably gonna do that again. I've been well, I'll talk about that in another video. Anyway, this decoration on the headboard for the bed actually serves two purposes. Number one, the design. Number two, it acts as a sound absorber, so you're going to get less reverberation, echo of sounds in that bedroom area. Very nice. I really like this desk setup. Large desk setup with some storage cabinets on one side of it. Mirror. You got your two air conditioning units, one in the bedroom, one in the living area out here. But yeah, nice size table for four. That'll handle four people or more. And yeah, laid out pretty well. I've done a number of videos here since about 2016, and what you'll find these many condos that Terrence manages is that each one is going to be designed a little bit different. Have a little different layout depending upon what part of the building it's in. And this is the original two towers. And there are two Avidas basically. There's these original Avidas, two towers in IT Park, and there's what's called Avida Reala, and you'll see that in rental sites as well. And those are newer towers. I think there are four towers that are occupied now, with a fifth one under construction. Don't quote me on that, but I think that is the case. And I think almost every unit in Avida also has this little laundry room storage type area. So you can do some will have come with a washer dryer, and others will just be kind of like a storage area. This is the second one bedroom. Again, I think it's the same size, 36 square meters, one bedroom. I have a one bedroom in a different part of town, 42 square meters, I think. Three or four of that is a good sized balcony, and so yeah, a fair amount of room in here. A little different layout than the first one we looked at, and he's got this red little I don't know what you call it, but that will fold out, turn into a bed if you want to use it that way. Some wine glasses there, and they also have a place to put wine bottles, and a little bit of a bed there as well, kind of like a couch bed combination. I don't know if that almost looks like the that will fold up so that it will actually turn into a couch, but they have it folded out so that it is a bed. And there again, nice sized television, and you're overlooking IT Park, so you shouldn't hear much in the way of barking dogs, roosters. Unfortunately, Cebu City doesn't seem to enforce any noise laws as goes for these really, really, really loud motorbikes. Um, if they do, they aren't doing the very good job of it, and you will occasionally hear a loud motorbike in there. Although I suspect this is owned by Ayala Group, and I suspect they've got their own local security. I suspect that with all the commercial buildings here, the call centers, the banks, that those types of places complain about the loud motorbikes, and therefore the local security force may well enforce some of that loud motorbike situation there in IT Park. One of the advantages, they've got good security, and like I said, it is private. They can issue citations. The CR, the comfort room, the bathroom, the toilet area with the shower, and you've got a hot water heater up there. And that was a trick when I first came to the Philippines. To these hot water heaters all operate a little bit differently, and some have one control, some have two or three controls, some have extra handles for faucets you need to turn on in different parts of the shower area just to get the water to get to the shower head. So it's an interesting learning experience, put it that way. And yeah, closed closet area here. So for the average person, should be quite a bit of room. Even got an iron there if you want to iron your clothes out. What I found, you can get your laundry done locally at almost every block has a little laundromat, and some will iron your clothes if you ask for ironing, but most of them, my experience is, they fold them so well that it's almost the same as your clothes being ironed. But I think some will actually iron. But yeah, look at a lot of that is Terrence there, the guy that manages these, and anyway, there are options. IT Park, city within the city, restaurants, bars, just a lot of. Ayala Mall has a new. Ayala Mall is in there. They've got a new mall. I think it's what, a year and a half old now. It opened up and above the larger Ayala Mall, but this Ayala Mall is quite large. Pretty much has anything and everything that you would need. So very, very, very convenient. Pool area. There is I think, a gym, probably a 24-hour gym in IT Park that you can join if you're interested. Anyway, I'll have Terrence's contact information in the description of the video if you're interested in these or any others. Like I said, some are short term, some are longer term, are flexible. So anyway, thanks for coming along. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.